Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable rolls at home. Soak rice paper briefly until pliable, then lay it flat and work quickly. Layer rice noodles, julienned vegetables, and herbs in the center, leaving space to fold. Fold sides over and roll tightly from the bottom to seal. Serve immediately with dipping sauce, or chill briefly for easier slicing and transport for lunches or picnics. Start by aligning fillings so each bite has noodles, veggies, and herbs for balanced flavor. Tuck the bottom edge up, then fold both sides toward the center to encase ingredients. Use even pressure as you roll to compact the fillings without tearing the rice paper. If the paper sticks, dampen your fingers or the edge lightly. Practice yields consistent rolls that slice neatly and hold together when dipped or packed for later. Play with textures and sauces to keep these rolls exciting and adaptable to your pantry. Swap or add protein such as tofu or shrimp for a more filling option, and layer in herbs like mint or cilantro for brightness. Toasted peanuts or crunchy vegetables add satisfying bite, while spicy peanut or sweet chili sauce brings richness and heat. These easy swaps let you create light lunches, party platters, or meal prep options to suit any taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.